Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, I've got an amazing product to share with you. It's the Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit, the ultimate solution for repairing surface blemishes on your car. With minimal effort, you can erase fine scratches and remove paint blemishes quickly and easily with this kit. It's the perfect way to restore your car's finish to like new condition in no time. The best part? You can use the power of your drill to quickly erase light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer. Meguiar's Scratch Eraser Kit is designed to work with any standard electric drill, making it easy to get professional results at home. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need: a drill pad for effective application and a microfiber towel for wiping it away. Plus, it's clear coat safe, so you can use it without worrying about damaging your paint. So, if you want to give your car the TLC it deserves, I highly recommend picking up the Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Your car will thank you for it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and reviews. Happy detailing!